Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Well, this is a kind of an unbagging, but we're checking out the outdoor sprinkler water toys for kids and toddlers. Let's open it up, shall we? Get the small piece first. It looks like we have a hose attachment right there to go on the nozzle. Cut to required size depending on hole or puncture. Thoroughly clean damaged surface and allow to dry. Oh, it's a little patch kit too. Okay. So a nozzle and a patch kit there. And then we have Don't Suffocate on the bag. This is quite large. Okay. So it's a little, well, it looks like it sprays water as you run in and out of it, so the kids can have fun with that. Let's go outside and test it out, shall we? So that's the bottom, and this part's got like a little underwater theme to it. It's got a submarine and some starfish and stuff like that, so that's kind of cool. Anyways, that is that. You can pick this up off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's go try this out, and we'll do a final review and a testing. Thanks for watching. All right, let's get the hose hooked up, shall we? Basically, you just want to screw the hose in onto the nozzle. This part right here. Make sure your rubber parts, your gaskets in there. Like that. Alright, I'll go turn the hose on now. Let's see how it works. Turn it up a little higher, huh? Okay. This is coming from my camera. Alright, so that's that. Looks like we need to angle these in a little bit, maybe. Okay, so you just gotta curl the sides in a little bit so it goes in on itself like that. Looks like it'd be fun to play in. Maybe I'll go run around in there a little bit. Alright. So you can adjust the height of it and stuff, so we can go splash around and okay, that's pretty cool actually. Definitely see the kids having fun with that, so pretty cool little thing here on a hot summer day. And you get out in the kiddie pool and just get a little wet and have some fun. So thanks for watching, my friends. See you next time. Alright, my friends, so as you can see, the outdoor sprinkler water toy for kids at Toddlers, a little kind of a little pool slash wading pool area with the little fountain water. Pretty cool, actually. I could see definitely kids having a lot of fun in that on a hot summer day, just a way to cool off. So pretty cool. A little outdoor water play area for their toddlers and whatnot. Oh, remember, always use adult supervision. You can small children can drown in less than 2 inches of water, so be very careful with water and use with adult supervision. As always, this can be picked up from Amazon for about 20 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below. So you can see that I was able to adjust. It came with a second ring, and I don't know if the water was leaking from the hose because I didn't get it tight enough, or I didn't put the other washer in there. Not a big deal. It takes a little while for the pressure to build up. Not a problem also. And you can see how the water was spraying out. You just take you can make it however you want, but I just kind of rolled the sides in a little bit and aim the water to where I want, so it's all kind of going back into the center there. So definitely a nice little fun idea for the kids during summertime. Way to keep cool during the hot times of the day. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this review. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.